prescribing in Medesk using the British National Formulary, or BNF, to make your prescribing safer, more accurate and quicker is very straightforward. And we actually have a searchable list of drugs from the BNF built into Medesk so that you can easily find them. And also we have direct links to the BNF itself. So if we're going to open up a prescription, instead of just typing the drug in here, we can use our lookup function. I'm going to look up atenolol, straightforward beta blocker that we're all familiar with. And you can see how you've got your product names and formulations on the left, and then your more generic namings on the right-hand side. Now, if we stick with the generic name, what we can do then is we can use the BNF button to then search for this particular word. And so what happens is that it looks something like this, where you get some search results. You get the most common search results at the top, of course, such as indications and dose for the particular drug. You'll also find lots of other things like interactions, medicinal forms, any unlicensed use, and of course things like contraindications and such like as well. Now, if you are to search for example, contraindications here, it won't actually find any drugs, of course, because the drug search itself is cannot actually handle that. However, the BNF button itself will. So you'll go to the BNF and straight away, instead of landing on here where you've got everything about the articles with atenolol related to them, then you'll actually find contraindications at the top and anything closely related to that, such as drug-to-drug interactions. So you can use that for much safer prescribing, much quicker prescribing, and of course, with all those things in hand, it just means that by the time the patient gets to the pharmacy or the dispensing of the drugs happens, you're going to face a lot less resistance, and it's going to be a nice and straightforward experience, which is, of course, handy for you, but even better for the patient who is looking to just get in and get out of the pharmacy. We release new videos every week. Hit that subscribe button to learn how to grow your practice faster.